I'm going to be speaking about Halloween and Bonfire Night. So, let's get started speaking about it. So first of all, we're going to be speaking about Halloween. Now, at Halloween night, on Halloween night, all day, we're going to have a maze right at the front garden. And we're going to get our car moved. And we're going to get like a maze, like a walkthrough. So we're going to get like these people and they jump out on you. When people come to trick or treat in our house, they walk through. And the people like, whoa, like that. And like they scare you and stuff. And also, I will be like doing loads of stuff like that on Halloween. And then we'll be playing around with balloons. And then we'll go trick-or-treating at night when it's dark. So, now speaking about Bonfire Night, we're going to be going to a firework display, and that's probably going to be pretty fun to do, to see loads of fireworks and stuff. That will just be so cool. And yeah, that's basically what we do, and we go out for things. Comment down below what you do on Bonfire Night and Halloween. Bye!
Here she go, either a little too high or a little too low. Got no self-esteem and vertigo, 'cause she thinks she's made of